What's up, fellow sack lovers? Today I've got an 84mm Spydernox build here. It's a pretty simple one, not too crazy with this one. It does have the Spyderco Dragonfly blade. Nice snap on all the tools. I did include the combo tool, the combo can and bottle opener with the wire stripper and large slotted tip screwdriver. I did add a nail nick to the other side since the Dragonfly blade gets in the way so that you can still access it. And we have the nail file. The liners I made out of Blue G10. And the scales are Victorinox, translucent blue scales, of course. You got the blue tweezer and the blue toothpick. Alright, that is going to do it for this one. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out. Thank you for watching.